Hey guys, look who it is. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 1969 Ford Continental. This was just an AM radio, stock AM radio. Customer has requested use of the original connectors, which means we're only using one speaker with this radio. So you're only going to hear one speaker output from the radio. And so let's go ahead and turn it on. It's been sent in for an FM conversion, basically update the electronics to where it does better with today's airwaves. So let's turn her on. And the first thing we'll do is make sure all the presets can be set. I've got them all set to stations in my area.
49.
Okay, that one drifted a little bit. There we go. Okay, now we'll run all the way down the dial manually and just make sure we pick up a decent number of FM stations.
Our condition, our need. We can be at your help. Stuart, as we take this and cherry bomb it, no. Talk to your... I'll buy you a movie ticket. Do that, that's great, but...
This was cool, even if we're...
Let me prove it to you now.
You're weak. I'm...
Makes me wanna take.
Okay, so it's the usual 31 or 32 FM stations. Let's switch it over to AM, which on this model we do by turning it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off on. And now we're on AM. We get 2 weak stations about here.
Radio. Now you can get a
1, 2. Then we get a stronger one.
first, a copy of the program.
Right about there. Okay, so let's go back to FM. And we'll make sure the Bluetooth activates. We're going to do that by giving our volume control 2 turns to the right. Make sure it goes into pairing mode. So here we go. Okay, it didn't activate that time, so let's try it again. Okay, let's try it again. It's a little tricky. You got to get the touch.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
There we go. Okay, so yeah, lady said Bluetooth ready to pair. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and of course, as you guys know, I don't do all that on the demo videos. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode, so we know that it works. After 90 seconds, that lady will come back on saying pairing not completed. We may finish this video before that because we've pretty much tested everything. Test the tone control. And that's it. Volume, tone. There's not much to test on this type of unit because there's only one speaker, so there's no balance or fader to adjust. We got the Bluetooth activated. We've got our AM, FM working. Probably we got all our presets working. All your controls are working, and then we have the dial lamp, which on this unit, I just have to transfer the power temporarily to the dial light, and you might be able to, you can see it, that little green thing right there, just kind of flashing on and off when I connect and disconnect it. So that's it for this radio. She's ready to go, and I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. I promise this is the last video I'm doing this 4th of July, 2020. My number is 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, everybody. We'll see you next time.